Okay, so here's this roller. I hammered it down. Now it's still rolling in here. What I did is I took a socket and a 10mm bolt, put it like this on the ground, on the hard surface, and just hammered it down so it's not moving around. Now, so here it is again. Bolt goes right in here. Turn it upside down on the hard surface and just hammer this like a rivet so it's in place. Now it's time to assemble this together. So what I did is took a screw like this, it's like in a nut, and need to reinstall it back like this. So the screw goes from the bottom and the head is going to be here and the nut is going to be on this surface on this side. So what I did is I put it in, make sure it's moving around so it's not tight, because this panel is movable. It has to move up and down, and to make sure that it doesn't unscrew by itself, I cut a channel here and I'm gonna put some silicone glue when this is all installed. And then now I'm gonna need also, let's see, 4 of these bolts and nylock nuts so I can install this whole assembly into the car, on the car door. So I'm gonna slide this in like that, and put that screw and tighten it down and put silicone glue dab on this nut so it stays in place, and then it's ready to be installed on the car. Okay, so here it is all assembled and working properly. These are the bolts that I used to mount it. The only thing extra I did is to put some paper gasket material between the door and the window regulator. And the window also was not going in its rail, it was going out of rail in the top corner right up here. All E36 have this problem, and what I come up with is I drilled another hole about ½ an inch below the original hole and attached that adjustment bar a little bit lower, and that made the window go right back into its track. So this is it, it's all complete.